Lenhlangano ye-Radical Transformation ihambisana ngqo nezinto eziphakanyiswa yiqembu le-MK njengoba kubhekwe okhethweni lwangomhla ka-29 kuNhlaba.
The MK's ideology serves the interest of the people, and we must take in regard that the former President Jacob Zuma, whom actually was part of the formation and the policies of the ANC at the time, wherein he was very much vocal with it.
I-RET iphinde isolwe ngokuba-ke amalungu enhlangano ebizwa ngokuthi amadela ngokubona athatha imisebenzi yokwakha-ke ngodliye esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal njengoba-ke bethatha u-30% womsebenzi nakuba bekuphika lokho.
ANC government ibiza abantu abahluphekayo abazama ukungena ngokuforsa ngokuvula umnyango kwi-economy babizwa ngezigebengu bese kuthi bona bahlale lapha yana bantshontshe kahleke njengoba bentshontsha nje kodwa sebeyabophana ngoba phela impimpi yabo lo Ramaphosa iyabajikela manje.
Lenhlangano ikholwa ukuthi-ke uhulumeni akukho akwenzayo ukusebenzisana nemboni yamatekisi kuleli nebambe iqhaza elikhulu emnothweni.
Mesikhuluma nge-tax interest ayirejistiwe is a 1% wena nemoto yakho o-registered ukuthi uthole operating license. Uma sikhuluma ngama-association into engekho le yabafowethu.
Odabeni lwabantu bokufika i-RET ithi-ke kumele kuvunyelwe abanamakhono angekho kuleli ukuhlala kuleli. Bathi-ke iqembu elingakwenza lokhu umkhonto wesizwe. Ezindabeni zethu ku-Channel 163 olethelwa i-Newsroom Africa nginguNtando Mnyandu eThekwini.